Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can make life-changing decisions for us, but we have no idea how it arrived at those conclusions. A world where AI is like a black box, mysterious and unexplainable. But what if I told you that there's a way to lift the lid off that black box and understand exactly how AI makes its decisions, and that's through explainable AI, a concept that's revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. Explainable AI, also known as XAI, is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on making AI systems more transparent and accountable. It's a way of understanding how AI algorithms work, and how they make predictions or decisions. This is particularly important in high-stakes applications, such as healthcare, finance, and law, where the consequences of AI-driven decisions can be severe. By making AI more explainable, we can build trust in these systems and ensure that they're fair, reliable, and safe. So, how does explainable AI work? Well, it's actually quite simple. Explainable AI techniques provide insights into the decision-making process of AI models, allowing us to see what features or factors are driving their predictions. For example, in image classification, an explainable AI model might highlight the specific parts of an image that led to a particular classification. This could be a tumor in a medical image, or a specific pattern in a financial chart. By understanding what's driving these predictions, we can identify biases in the system and make adjustments to improve its performance. One of the key techniques used in explainable AI is called feature attribution. This involves assigning a score to each feature or input that indicates its contribution to the final prediction. For instance, in a credit risk assessment model, feature attribution might reveal that the applicant's credit history is the most important factor in determining their creditworthiness. This information can be used to refine the model and make it more accurate and fair.